Got your license?
Not fighting Spencer at the weekend. He'd have no chance anyway. Natasha.
He's my favourite pupil here. Give us your license.
Okay, it's enough of this.
Oh dear me, oh. Tell him how many goes we've had.
This will be my third.
Third, oh, isn't too bad. Right, that's it. Isla. She's had my life, this one, haven't you?
Yeah.
Dear me, oh. How are you feeling?
Not bad.
Not bad?
Hopefully.
Haven't got any tricks up your sleeve, have you?
I hope not.
Oh, killing me. Absolutely tortured me. Right, you know the protocol, don't you? Put the license in there.
Yeah.
Right, have you got everything comfortable?
Okay, yeah, I think so.
Right, tell everybody what you feel your first one for.
First one for speeding, although I swear I was only like 2 over speed limit.
She reckons she's only 2 miles over an hour. It was more like a 40. You learners tell more lies than anything else.
Anyway,
What was the other one?
For driving too close to parked cars.
How many times have you done that?
Too many times.
Exactly. Yeah, she was happy. Both exams were really nice, weren't they?
Yeah, they were.
They were amazing, she said, but she'd never speeded before, but on that day she decided to. Are you ready? But she's going to pass the day, aren't you?
Yep.
You've got to wait, put in you in a minute. Wait. You know what I forget to do, don't you? What have I forgotten to do?
I don't know.
You know, come on.
Oh, no.
What do I wear every lesson?
Oh, get lost.
I'm,
Where have you pulled that from?
I'm taking no chances with this one.
You are ridiculous.
How does it work? I'm taking no chances with her. She's killed me. Yeah?
I'm going to do it on purpose this
Oh,
time.
then when you're ready. I have to wear this every lesson with
That's just not true.
every lesson I've had to wear it, haven't I?
No. Oh god.
See what I mean?
It wasn't inversed properly. Yep. That's fair enough.
What have you done to my hat?
Sabotaged it before I even got in the car.
Every lesson I've worn this hat, haven't I?
No!
Yes, I have. Tell the truth. Oh, wait.
Yeah, it's every lesson.
Every lesson. I had body armour one day, but it was just too heavy and I couldn't afford to keep hiring. They could have. It's like with chin strap on.
I do.
So we take no chance today, and then when the examiner gets in the car, what are you going to give him?
What, that helmet?
Yes. I'm ready now. I'm ready for this test. Come on, Isla. Let's go. Come on.
I'm gonna pass.
I know you are. You better pass because she's getting sacked today.
I know, fair enough.
She's going to uni, aren't you? Which uni are you going to?
Glasgow.
She's off to Glasgow.
Yep.
Damn, I'll be glad to see the back of her. Get in. She's either going to Glasgow with a licence or she'll still be a provisional licence holder. Oh, a nice smooth drive today, Isla.
I'll
You
try.
don't look the cars today, will you not?
I'll try. I won't.
I would have put our videos, our first 2 fields on YouTube. Would tell them what you've done all the way back.
Nothing. I didn't do anything.
She cried all the way back home in the ride from the test centre to the
That's true.
to home is about 10-15 minutes, and she cried all the way back, all the way back. This is the one I've had with the most tears in all my years. Return right. I used to say it, but when she'd pull out and try and crash, I said, "Can you explain why you're doing that?" She just burst out in tears.
It's only
And then a few minutes
times.
later, she'd start laughing. You what?
That wasn't like all the time.
All
Just
the time.
sometimes. Just
It was
sometimes.
every time, wasn't it?
It wasn't every time.
Well, every other time.
Maybe.
She used to build me up, do a really good lesson, and the next lesson just try and wipe us out, wouldn't you? And I'd say, "What?
Hence the helmet.
Can you explain?" I'd put my coating head on, and I would say, "Can you explain why you done that? What was going through your mind? How did you feel about that?" And she would say,
You're exaggerating.
"No, I'm not."
And you know it.
No. Coaching experts should have taught this one to drive. Favourite saying, crying and I don't know. Do you like my hat? Or what?
I do. I admire your dedication to bringing it.
Oh yeah, you've got to do it the deer. I'm just going. Honestly, I'm going to jump right straight. If you feel it, dear, I'm packing this job in. Every year I get one person who takes 3 goes, and this. I would not like to say a lot worse, but I can't. She's a lovely young lass, but gee. Tell them what your sister doing.
Passed first time with 1 miler.
1 miler, just 1 miler. 1 miler?
1 miler.
Yeah.
Yeah, well.
Damn, it's too painful. This I can't take it anymore.
That's fair enough.
Then be looking at me and they say, look at that muppet in there. Have you met Isla? She's a crazy driver. I'll need to move back to the left lane off the bus lane. Now going straight ahead, second exit.
I actually can't believe it.
I don't know how you dare say that after all the time, all the tricks you pulled on me, and you don't say I don't know how you dare. Really?
Yes.
How many times have I been scared? I've drove away from hers after a lesson in tears.
Get lost.
I've been banging my head off the floor like this. It's frightened me that much, haven't you?
No.
Yes, you have.
I'm a flawless driver. I've never made a mistake.
We're on the 3rd go.
Yeah.
Damn. What have you been doing this morning?
I went out for breakfast with my grandma.
Did you?
Yeah.
Where'd you go?
Cafe in Durham, you know, near the Gala and the library. It's on the corner. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good job.
I had a panini. It was nice.
Brain foods. Need
Yep.
brain foods, you. You're going to Glasgow, aren't you?
A week tomorrow.
Super smart, but got no common sense as well.
True. Well, the common sense part.
Glasgow, isn't that where the Royals went, isn't it?
No, St Andrews.
Oh,
Most of
St.
them.
Andrews.
Similar.
Never need to move it the right lane when it's here. Good bit of lane changing, man. I like that. Now we're turning right for the A177. A177 and you can't go wrong. You did look at the Martins Island.
Oh,
We'll have to just. No, you
Why
don't
not?
go over there. There's a car there, look.
okay.
Just stay around to the right. Well, we'll just have to go back round and do it again. You did not look at road markings and you did not get into second gear. Can you explain why?
I don't know about the road markings. I just didn't see.
Need to look for road markings. See what I mean? She builds us up and then she just knocks us straight back down. Get into that lane and see. So that's really good. You come up the roundabout too fast. Right now, first of all, you came up the roundabout too fast. So we're turning right for the A177. It's the second exit. You get to the right, you're doing that again, log. Why you keep doing that for?
Don't know.
Turning right. Now look for A177 on the road markings. Now be ready, what could the lights do?
Change.
Now when you come round here, look for A177. Take your foot off the gas and look for A177.
Is that it?
A177, see it?
See it?
The mirroring signal leave. Have you got that?
Mhm.
I've shown you that umpteen times before, haven't I?
Probably.
Yes. That very first mock test, what did I tell you? It's even on YouTube. I told her she had to fix her eyes.
Mhm.
You can lead a horse to water, but you can't make it drink it, can you? Damn. Now this is where you failed also, getting too close to those parked cars on the left hand side. I'm guessing there's been a car coming down there and you've not looked at the space. Now this is as fast as you want to go, why is that?
In case someone steps up for
Yeah,
them. Or...
there's a parked car, so you know, don't go the other way, then go on the other side of the road, because I've seen that happen before. So just keep your speed down when you're passing parked cars. She's had 2 easy routes this morning. You might as well get in the car and tell them to give you the hardest route going. So, give us your hardest route.
Mhm.
So 2 easy ones and failed on them both.
I'm just going straight ahead, yeah.
Oh, why?
Oh,
The
sorry.
right colour's the light on.
Sorry, orange.
What happened there then?
Should have stopped.
Why didn't you?
Oh, sorry.
Did you see it? No.
Yeah.
Right, well,
It's probably worse.
what does steady amber mean?
Like get ready to stop.
No, it means you must stop
Oh, right.
unless what?
Oh, unless I'm already like too far through.
Yeah, or
I don't
you've
know.
already
So-
crossed the white line.
Oh, yeah.
So you had loads of time to stop, you should have just stopped.
Okay.
You've got to keep your eyes moving today, otherwise we're toast.
Mhm.
And you've got to drive smoothly and keep them eyes moving and read the road. What did your parents say then?
My dad was at work from early this morning, so I didn't really see him, but my mum was just like, I really hope you pass this time. Me too.
I don't think I can take it in anymore.
No.
Well, it's time to wish Isla the very best luck. I just don't know what to say to her apart from use our brain cells and eyes, but it's like talking to a brick wall with this one. Go on, up you go up
Sorry.
them stairs.
Okay.
Good luck, Isla. I'll be up in a minute, okay?
Okay.
Hurry up, run up them stairs because we're late.
Yes, still do.
God, you've got me sweating like a pig here. Well, we're back in tears. Tell them what you've done.
Passed. 4 minus.
4 minus, what were the 4?
1 point. Well, one was for fixing my parallel park. One of them was for when I have to pull over on the left, I was too far from the thing. One of them.
She doesn't get a clue what
I
she's
can't remember
talking
what the
about.
other 2 were.
She says what with the minus, because why
Oh,
didn't you
yeah,
open the
that's-
door?
What?
Why didn't you open the door so I could listen? I thought you'd feel.
Oh, I hadn't. Sorry.
He says, oh, she's I finished too wide from the curb. He says, no, you hit the curb.
I got them mixed up when he was explaining them.
Oh, thank God for that.
I know. I know.
I could cry, I really could. Had my life, honestly. In a couple of years' time, you'll see me in a field when it's hiding down with rain. I'll be telling them I'm a teapot. I'll be doing this. Look, dear me, oh, good God.
Oh, you don't have to put up with me anymore.
I'm glad about that. When you got in the car, she offered the examiner the helmet, didn't you?
I didn't actually. He didn't ask about it either. Thought you might have done. Thought you might have seen it.
The last 2 driving tests, just cried all the way back from here, all the way along this road, haven't you?
Yes.
Oh,
Not this time.
what a relief.
Mhm.
Oh, honestly, I feel 20 years younger after this one.
I was gonna say, I've had an extra 20 years on your lifespan.
Oh, so relieved.
Mhm.
Oh, dear me. Oh, sweating buckets, I was shaking. I was vomiting last night with this one.
Get
Couldn't
lost, you
sleep.
were not.
This has got to be the pupil that has tried to crash my car the most times, isn't it?
Yeah, that's
It's got
true.
to be, honestly. I've seen some wild stuff in my time, but this one takes the biscuit, this one. So you probably drove all right the year before, didn't you? To be fair, you know, these 2 lessons you've had, they were pretty good, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, I just want to go home and cry.
Yeah.
Feel so emotional.
Yeah.
So what are you going to do now then? Are you going to drive?
No, I'm not being part of the insurance, so no, I'm not.
No, please. Just what you want to do is get out in that car. Tell them to put you on for a few weeks before you go to uni.
Yeah, week and a bit.
Oh, Isla. Oh, this is my best pass. This one. Dear me.
Biggest achievement.
Yeah, biggest achievement. In fact, I'm going to
Most
write.
improved.
I'm going to write to Lizzie. I'm going to say, "Oh, Lizzie, I'm just getting that Isla through on a 3rd go, mind you." She'll email us back and say, "He can never." I'll say, "Yeah." Do you know who Lizzie is?
Who?
The Queen.
I thought that's what you were talking
Yeah.
about. I did think that.
I'm on first name terms with her.
Yeah.
I will be after the day. I want to be on that New Year's honours list.
You need a knighthood.
I want a
after
knighthood
bossing
for
me.
this one.
That's fair enough.
Damn, that was hard work. Oh, I can still remember them early lessons. I have nightmares about them.
I just
Oh.
don't think about them.
What?
Just try not to think about those ones.
Oh. I still remember the first time I picked her up. She'd come out of the house like butter wouldn't melt in her mouth, and as soon as you got in that car, she just changed into the devil, this one. Absolutely scary.
I hadn't driven before my first lesson though. I'd never driven at that point, so you know,
Yeah,
I was
well,
gonna be bad.
A lot of my pupils have never driven
Yeah.
before. You got some really good skills, but you just do some crazy stuff at
That's
times.
true.
Yeah. I feel like I should retire now. I don't want to do anymore.
Fair enough. You don't want to have another Isla.
I've a couple more lessons. I just want to go home and just
Just
sit-
cancel them.
sit on the settee and smoke a King Eddie cigar.
Do it. Tell them the car
Oh.
broke down. They'll never know.
Oh, trust me, I've had a lot worse than you. The first one I can forgive her for because, yeah, you can easily feel the first one. But the second one, I'm going to come back and haunt her because she should not have failed for passing shaving park cars because,
Because we talked about it so much. Yeah.
yeah,
I know.
but it just goes in there and one out the other one, doesn't it?
We didn't in my test though.
Hmm?
I did.
Oh,
I was paying
Isla.
attention in my test.
Oh, I'm so relieved. It's an amazing
Yeah.
feeling. It's the best feeling in the world, this. Oh, it feels like I've scored a goal in the World Cup final, it does. Oh, I've got her picture up at home. You know, our driver's license. What I've done is I blew it up on the computer and I put it on my dartboard and I sit on the night to relieve tension and just right in between the eyes. Oh, yes! Get in! Yes! Yes! Get in! Damn, that's good. Oh, such a relief.
It is. I'm so glad.
Oh, man. Never doing that again. Oh. Kirsty,
Nope.
put you on the missing persons list.
It's fair enough.
Oh, what a relief. Damn, that was painful. That was painful. That's what you normally do, what that bus is doing, don't you?
Yes.
Just pulls out in front of cars. Tell me how that felt. I can't stop crying. But you did, didn't you?
Yeah, but not anymore.
This is the people who's cried the most on all the driving lessons. Every lesson.
Not every lesson. That's just not true.
Every other lesson.
Maybe.
Tell them the truth. How many times have I had a crash helmet?
You.
Every
literally,
lesson. I had to
that
put
is
it on.
Just not true.
It is.
She's just lying.
She's telling lies there. She wouldn't trust this one. Oh, I feel good. I feel good. Damn.